Are there seasons for rainforest?
There are indeed. The further you go from the equator, the more seasonal the weather patterns begin to get. Here, 6 degrees north of the equator, here on the island of Langkawi, we go through a distinct dry season. And our dry season begins in the first week of December, or sometimes the second week of December, and lasts for a good 3 months, sometimes in an El Nino year, up to 4 months.
So, are there dry and greening seasons in Langkawi?
Indeed, there is. We have that distinct annual dry season, which is then followed by an intermonsoonal period of convectional rains, and then the wettest period on the island from August right up to October. And that's when we are affected by the winds from the northeast the winds from the southwest that bring along heavy rains during that period.
So, why is the dry season so important and also your favorite time of the year?
Without doubt, the dry season is my most favorite period to be on the island. When trees of the rainforests do not get enough water, it is the trigger to set off the major flowering processes. Some trees may need 3 weeks of no rain before they begin to flower. Some may need 6 weeks of no rain, and others may need up to 9 weeks of no rain before they begin to flower. And there are those that need the first substantial rains after the big dry to trigger their flowering processes. Many animals choose that period, and sometimes the month just before, as the season of love and courtship. Because when their babies arrive in time for the flowering, the fruiting season. Plenty of food for the new arrivals. For the insectivores, a wonderful time. For the nectarines, a wonderful time. For the herbivores, a wonderful time of plenty. And for those that eat herbivores, insectivores, and nectarines, it's a wonderful time. The season of plenty has arrived. Love is literally in the air.
What is advice you can give to the visitors that come to these islands?
Of course, get your bathing suits on, etc. We got amazing beaches, but remember, we also have incredible diversity of flora and fauna. So pack your trip. Make sure you pack your cameras. Get a good pair of binoculars, a bird book or a nature book, guidebook, and then find a ethical, and good tour operator, eco tour operator, and will make your stay many times more eventful and meaningful.